Before the COVID-19 pandemic, getting a high-paying remote job was a little like finding a unicorn. However, times have changed significantly, and employers are much more willing to allow high-performing employees to work from home. We scoured online job boards for companies hiring remote workers and offering $100 an hour or more, the equivalent of a $200,000 full-time salary. Here are just a few ideas to get you thinking about the possibilities. On Benefits Analyst, potential salary, $120 per hour. A benefits analyst is a specialized financial role responsible for maintaining a company's health, retirement, and other benefits plans. As with many office-based finance jobs, this position is easily translatable to a fully remote role. One position we found was offering a one-year contract position at $120 per hour. It requires 5-7 years of experience as a benefits analyst, with specific experience using Workday, ADP, and the Fidelity platform for 401k record-keeping. Product marketer. Potential salary $100 per hour. A product marketer is responsible for creating and maintaining an overarching marketing strategy to grow sales of a specific product or line of products. This could be anything from hair care products to highly specialized software solutions. One company, Vaco, is looking for product marketers for a 9-month contract position that pays $100 per hour. This position would be responsible for planning and executing marketing campaigns, developing and monitoring marketing metrics, tracking budgets, and making recommendations to improve the performance of sales and customer acquisition. 3. Freelance Interpreter. Potential salary, $100 per hour and up. Are you highly fluent in English and another language? You can earn a significant salary as a freelance interpreter, working with multinational corporations to help translate across languages and cultures. One position available noted a starting salary of $100 per hour and up and required 1-2 years of experience in interpreting plus past work in international events or high-level bilateral meetings. 4. Recruiter. Potential salary, $100, $250 per hour. As a remote search consultant recruiter, you would be responsible for finding talented employees and matching them with companies looking for the right skill sets. While it is a commission-based job, the company notes that its top producers earn between $200,000 and $550,000 per year. Since the job is fully remote, you would be establishing relationships over the phone and negotiating with both potential employees and employers to find the right fit. 5. Software developer. Potential salary, $90, $120 per hour. Software development has always been on the cutting edge of the work-from-home trend, and now there are even more opportunities in the field to work entirely remotely. Whether you are a programmer, back-end developer, front-end developer, or more, there are thousands of remote jobs available that will fit your skill set. One job we found was a contract position to help develop a fintech platform, adding new product features and maintaining the core application. Some prior experience is required, and the job pays between $90 and $120 per hour with full benefits. 6. Telehealth physician. Potential salary, $100, $130 per hour. Some careers don't translate well to working from home. Until recently, the medical field has been one of them. However, with the rise of Zoom and remote telehealth, doctors, nurses, and physician's assistants can now join the work-from-home ranks. One telehealth provider, Stay, offers full-time and part-time positions with a salary of $100, $130 per hour. If you are an MD, DONP, or PA with a valid state license, you can help patients via video conferencing with a full range of primary care services. Then, inside sales representative. Potential salary, $40, $115 is per hour. Sales has always been a career that can offer a high income with no college degree required. An inside sales position follows up with leads online or over the phone from the comfort of their own home. While inside sales careers exist in almost any industry imaginable, one we found online was with a medical laser treatment company. The job listing notes that average sales reps take home $7,000, $15,000 a month, and top sellers can make over $20,000 per month. The position includes full healthcare and retirement benefits. The job requires 3 to 4 years of sales experience, strong negotiating skills, and a self-motivated personality. 8. Marketing analytics. Potential salary, $100, $150 per hour. For those with a background in data science and analytics, opportunities abound for remote work positions. For example, Zillow listed an open requisition for a fully remote director of marketing analytics with a salary between $200,000 and $320,000 per year. What is marketing analytics exactly? This position is responsible for turning mountains of data into usable metrics and strategic recommendations to grow the business and attract more customers. According to the job listing, the ideal candidate is a creative and innovative problem solver and storyteller with data, comfortable with helping partners think and solve difficult business challenges. 9. Freelance Publicist. Potential salary, $50, $200 per hour. Freelance publicists work on a contract basis and can earn $50, $200 per hour with the right skills. Publicists are responsible for creating communication plans for clients, pitching stories to media outlets, and arranging for publicity opportunities. Publicists can work with clients in all kinds of different industries, including tech, finance, lifestyle, and more. To earn on the higher end of the range, you would need excellent writing skills and experience working as a publicist in the industry in which you're interested. Even on the low end, this job pays $100K a year. 10. Senior Producer. Potential salary, $118 per hour. The Mom Project is looking for a senior producer on a contract basis. This position pays $118 per hour and would work with art directors, designers, copywriters, marketers, and more to develop original video content. As a senior producer, you would need a background in marketing or journalism and some experience in video production. According to the job listing, you would manage the entire creative production process, from ideation to content delivery. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 7.